Welcome to Laddu channel. Today we are going to learn how to write good handwriting in English. So we have to know first about the four lines. These are the four lines. The first line is known as the upper line. I am writing in shortcut. And the last line is known as the lower line. This is the last line. And these two also have their individual names. The third line is known as the baseline. This is this line is very important among the four lines. And the second line is known as headline. The third line, uh, the 26 small letters settle on this baseline. At the same time, we have to know about the three zones. This is the upper zone area. And this is the middle zone area. This is the lower zone area. We have to write upper zone letter. I am writing the letter H. Middle zone letter A. And the lower zone letter G. Upper zone area, upper zone letter. Middle zone area, middle zone letter. Lower zone area, lower zone letter. Next, we have to know the famous principle, the triple S principle. Triple S principle. In the triple S principle, there are three S. The first S is size. And the second S is shape. And third is stroke. Size of the letter, shape of the letter, stroke of the letter. We have to know first size of the letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm writing letter B and A. The body of the letter should touch the second line and the third line. That means the headline and the baseline. Next, the shape of the letter. I hope you observed that the shape of the letter is oval shape. In Telugu letters, the letters are in circle shape. But in English, the letters are in oval shape. I'm writing G also. Next, the stroke of the letter. A. I am writing without the lifting pen or pencil. B. W. These are the single strokes. 1, 2. This is double stroke. I and K. These are double strokes. These are single strokes. Next, we have to know about the basis. The first basis is L. we have to write in middle lines L like this. Write the L and cut like this. See, like this. And you turn here the letter H. In the half of the letter H, the letter N. Like this you have to write neatly. If you give one more turn here, the letter M. See the letter M. We learned now the letter L, H, N and M. These we learn now. Next, the letter N. See here, the half of the letter N is the letter R. You should write the letter R like this or like this. You have to not write like this. This is wrong way. These are right. Okay, children? Next, you write the number 9. Oval shaped circle, straight line. Oval shaped circle, straight line. Oval shaped circle, straight line, and the small line. You mean that stroke. The letter Q. Again you write the number 9. You don't touch the lower line and you give a turn here. The letter G. You write the number 9 again. In the half of the number 9, the letter A. Oval shaped circle only. The letter O. Next you write the letter H. You stop here. You stop here. And you connect it to the bottom. The letter B. Next the letter P. You keep the line to the lower line and you keep. This is the letter P. Now I will tell to how to hold the pencil or pen. These two fingers keep here for the grip and this middle finger for the base. Like this, and the pencil should touch here compulsory. Like this. For you have to leave this much distance. Okay, children? You have to not hold like this, or like this. Okay? You have to leave this much gap and grip base. Okay, children? And the pencil or pen should touch here compulsory. We have to maintain from book to face 2 feet or 1.5 distance. If we have to maintain from book to face 2 feet or 1.5 feet distance. If you keep like this, the if you catch like this, the handwriting will become beautiful and visible. See, I will write. The T should not touch the upper line. See how neat it came and visible, beautiful. For pen, we have to keep the cap compulsory and we have to keep this much distance and we have to catch. The grip will uh, come properly. See, the pen should also touch here compulsory. The cap should be compulsory. Okay, children? See, I will write one more. See how neat and visible, beautiful. Okay, compulsory. Uh, you should compulsory. You should compulsory follow these methods. If you not follow, the handwriting will come dirty and invisible. That like that it will come. Okay, children. We have to maintain 1.5 feet or 2 feet distance from book to face. We will meet in next class. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video.